I'm sure you've heard the news, foxes aren't just red and bushy. Let's dive into the world's tiniest wild canine. Fennec foxes have huge ears, bigger than their heads. They use those radar ears to hear insects underground. Their thick fur keeps them cool in the desert sun and warm at night. These tiny foxes can jump 2 feet straight up, and they hardly ever drink water, getting moisture from their food. Aren't Fennec foxes amazing? If you enjoyed these Fennec fox facts, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild wonders.